May 25th, 2015, me and Lily's second anniversary. Hey Maddox, how are you, buddy? How are you? This is Maddox. And Parks, you're about a month or two away from coming, but I wanted to give you a snapshot preview of your nursery. A lot of people have been working pretty hard on this thing. Got you a crib, a glider, picture of an elephant up here, your name. Some stuff's still in progress. We got a lot of books over here. We don't have the bookshelf yet. That'll be coming soon. Got you a changing table, some hampers, little lamp. Got your initials up there. Little elephant hat rack. Nice rug. Maddox seems to really be enjoying the rug. You guys will be best friends soon. Of course, we have Colonel Reb up there. And another little elephant. We're getting ready for you, buddy. Alright, Maddox, go to your bed. Good boy. Alright, come. Come here. Sit. Down. Good boy. Alright, go to your bed. There you come. Up. Alright, Maddox, off. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Who is it, Maddox? Who is it?
Hello. Hello. New camera?
New camera.
Hey, Maddox, off.
Hey, Parks, there you are. You're not here yet, but there you are.
Here he is. The start.
Mom's just glowing with beauty.
It's on the 2-year anniversary.
On the 2-year anniversary.
Yeah.
Hey Parks, this is what your parents look like. It's our second anniversary today. First camcorder. I just went out and bought a camcorder. I really feel like a dad now. Anyways, we're ready for you to get here, buddy. We love you.
Can't wait. 32 weeks today.